COCONOTE app AI note taker. So let's just take a look. Never take notes again. Turn audio and video into notes, flashcards, quizzes, and more. 100 plus languages supported. So as you can see here, quite a viral app, went on viral on TikTok, and let's just install it and see how it looks like. So it's available on iPhone and then Android and web. Also can be super handy for education. So when you're in high school or college, when you just really need a really nice transcription, and just transcribe your lectures and create instant notes super easily. And then here it is. Let's just create an account. It says free to try. So let's see if they have some kind of a
COCONOTE turns long YouTube videos and boring lectures into organized notes, quizzes, flashcards, and more. Here's how to use it. Tap Create, record any audio, for example, in a lecture hall, or paste a YouTube link.
So yeah,
Be sure to leave the app open while COCONOTE does the work, and your notes are done for you. This is why we have a 4.9 star rating, and people with ADHD especially love the app.
See here. You can try free for 1 week. There is 1 week free, then $100 per year. And then you can just tap new note and then upload audio, record audio, or use YouTube video. So if you're in the lecture, you can just put your phone on the charger, record the lecture, like you can just sleep during that lecture, and then after that you will just have very structured, nice note, one nice short summary of the lecture, what was going on. So that's really helpful tool, if you have some boring lectures like 2 hours long and it's super hard to dissect those. This is a must-have app, definitely. So let's just also try what we can do. We can go out and try out some so let's see, for example, this is the video, and let's just copy. Let's, for example, copy the link from like Yale University about a lecture about Roman Empire, and then just it's like 40 minutes lecture. Or like 40 minutes YouTube video. I don't have time to watch all of that. Maybe I'm just falling asleep or something like that. And then let's just see if it's gonna work. And then creating your note, and then let's see how it works. Of course, you can just use it on lectures or upload audio instead of video. But that can be really helpful to summarize, for example, also some long YouTube videos. So that can be helpful as well. I don't know how much time it takes, but as you can see, the video was like 40 minutes. So that's around, can be like the lecture, and it took like 20 seconds. And then here it is. And then as you can see, here's the video. Then, wow, you can see welcome and course introduction. So presenter, course title, course period, course themes, teaching follows, sections, course logistics, syllabus and assignments, course content overview, and then so as you can see, let's see what was in the video description and all of that, just to be what you can get. So here's you can see that's the description. So not that much, like it wasn't here. And then here you can just, in the note, you can see fun and like all the details. Starts with crisis of Roman Empire, ends with the inheritance of the Roman Empire by 1000 AD, key historical themes, fun and strangeness of the course, in like super short note. And then instead of watching 40 minutes, you will see this criticism and realities of Roman Empire. It's like 4 bullet points, like imbalance, military endurance, and flows. Like, so it's like literally one paragraph of text instead of watching 40 minutes. And then evaluation of historical the closing remarks, and there you have it. So yeah, quite a nice note. Then you can view the full transcript. So here you can see the whole transcript is quite long. And then edit note and transcript, you can then just edit note and edit transcript. And then basically what you can do, you can share note link, and then you can just share text. You can edit, delete, and then you just have your note. As you can see, I just created it for free. So that's what it is. If you wanna more notes, then you need to invite 3 friends. So 3 free notes, invite 3 friends. So each note for for each friend. So basically here invite a friend, and then you just need to check this out, and then invite friend from here, and invite 3 friends, and you will get a free note. So that's that. And then pro. So here you just have this. There is a free trial for 1 week, then $100 per year, which is, it just depends if you're using this kind of stuff a lot or not. If you're in high school, that's definitely one, or college, university, that's definitely one of the best apps for your phone you can try right now. So definitely worth like $100. If you don't plan to use it so often, like, it's quite expensive, like $100. Yeah, I don't know whether I would like to pay, but like, again, if you're a student, that's like a must have. Then yeah, my account, you can just go here, delete your account, failed recordings, privacy, and that's it. Super easy, nice design, very minimalistic, easy to understand. So there you have it. So I don't know how many notes you can get for free, or what is the limit of transcriptions, but as of right now, I can at least get 1 free note. So that's a good start. You can reach out to their support here in the top right. And as you can see, they also have basically the website, and like an Android app, and also web version. So that works. So here you can see some more features, like you can record lectures, auto generate notes, auto create flashcards, auto create quizzes. So that's another thing that you can test yourself and track progress. Auto create podcasts, and then you can listen to notes in podcast form. So that's another thing I didn't mention, that you can create quiz from this. And then that's also pretty cool that you're just creating a quiz. And then you can just do that. So that's pretty cool. This will take a few seconds. You need to keep the COCONOTE app open while you wait and while you're creating this quiz. So almost done. So then you just waiting it out. You can also translate it. So here you will see this, so here it is, pretty cool, amazing. And then create flashcards. You can also then create flashcards from this. This will take a few seconds. And then and just creating this. So this is just for you to learn, and then you can also translate it to all these languages. So pretty big selection of languages. So so try it out, pretty cool app, highly recommended.